Hi, I'm Marie Getsug with Jacobs Engineering. My role is Program Manager within the Strategic Consulting Asset Management Group, and I just received my CRL Black Belt from ReliabilityWeb.com. So for me, achieving this CRL Black Belt is really a demonstration of industry leadership because it demonstrates a connectivity between the strategic vision of strategic asset management and the tactical application in the field. And if we can't connect the two, then there's a disconnect. So we've got a lot of folks out there that are applying strategy. We've got a lot of folks out there engineering. And this really represents the ability to tie all of the subject matter experts within our firm together and honor each and every one of those stakeholders' perspectives. I chose the CRL Black Belt to be an important certification for me personally and to support Jacobs Engineering because it's the one certification that ties together all the disciplines and demonstrates a vulnerability to learning other disciplines. You can never know it all. You have to learn from others and leverage their expertise, and you really need to be vulnerable to learning those different disciplines. The challenge was recognizing that I didn't know what I didn't know. I had to learn a lot about the integration of each of those disciplines, which I'm still piecing together. I think a lot of these exam-driven certifications, they honor that you were able to pass the exam. This certification was practical, and it represents recognizing in somebody else going through the work that I've done in a lot of different fields. I mean, I did a civil project in rail. I've never done anything like that. I mean, honestly, the community here, and I do see Terrence as the global leader of asset management and what he goes to the planet to learn about what's being done and what are the next and best practices. I feel more connected to this community than any other. And I love Reliability Web and everyone that's here at IMC. This is truly what I would consider my community.